Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to disable notification on Bitski wallet. If you want to turn off notifications on your Bitski wallet, then the process is quite straightforward. Simply launch open your Bitski application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your wallet. Once you're inside the main homepage for Bitski wallet, tap on your profile picture at the top left-hand corner. Now in the expanded menu, tap on Notifications. Tap on your wallet again and then right where it says Allow Notification, toggle off the button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to disable all of the notification that you may receive from the Bitski wallet application. You can also go ahead and tap on Settings from the expanded menu and scroll down to Activity, Alerts or Drip under Notifications and tap on one of the options. Simply go ahead and toggle off the notification option and then you'll be able to turn off notifications on Bitski application from your mobile device. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.